Hi guys, welcome to the takeover. So I got this package just now. And look at this package. This is so special. Before we start, be sure to subscribe and click the bell. And this one is for the shopping center. Hope you enjoy! Open this package. Let's start. Scissors are useless, so instead of using scissors, we're going to use our bare hands. It's a little bit long. It's strong. Yeah, it's So guys, we're almost there to the second level. Just need to wrap a little bit more. Did I break it? Oh my god. I don't know if I break it. It's bouncing now. Maybe I'm getting worse, so let's not. So guys, this is hard to open than I expected. This wrapper is strong. How do you like this thing? While I am unwrapping this wrapper, please subscribe, click the bell. A little help here, Mommy.
Okay, I'm gonna help you now. Put it here.
Huh?
What is that?
Whoa. Oh, it comes out with this hook. Let's see the other one. Help me pull this wrapper thing. Like pull this. Something fell?
What?
I don't know if something fell or not.
Wait, we still have some hook in here.
Yes. But first pull. Pull.
There's so many hook in here.
Maybe the delivery is supposed to put so many hooks.
What?
Nothing. Oh my god, it's so sticky. It doesn't want to go. I'll do it now. Never mind. I'll do it now. And you have the hook, right?
It's here.
No. Here.
Okay.
This is strong. I don't know if I can pull it off. Let's pull it together. 3, 2,
1. Wait, I think you're gonna need a scissors. Where's the scissors?
Scissors, we're going to need you. Even though you're useless, you can't even cut a single thing. Come on, I know you can cut it. Just cut. So guys, we finally opened the packages and we got this for the shopping center. All of this weird thing for the shopping center. So basically, you just get one and then you go hook in the top. Just wait for a moment. Maybe it's the other
wrong
side.
side.
There we go. I think it's right.
This one is supposed to be like that.
Well, and then once you got this vinegar, like this vinegar.
How do you put it?
So I think you put it like this. Insert the hole. Wait, wrong side. So you put like this. You put it into the hole like that. Open it and voila. Going to show you another one. What happens if there is stocks? It will look like this. So guys, I'm going to display in the shopping center, so I'm going to be back. Please enjoy this video. Bye!
A few moments later.
So guys, this is what our shopping center looks like. It looks all arranged and makes our shopping center. As you can see, this is what it looks like. This is this, and then here is this. That's toothbrush section, comb section, and more stuff. And we also put it outside. So guys, this is what it looks like arranging outside. It is very organized and pretty cool in our shopping center. My mom bought this from LAZADA. That's why our shopping center is very arranged. I hope you like this video and subscribe. Bye!